Hi everyone, it's Carol from Pure Hot Yoga in St. Louis, and in today's posture breakdown, we're going to talk about standing head to knee pose. This posture is in all of our original hot yoga classes, the 90 minutes, and the Power 60 yoga class. It comes right after our warm-up, and you really start to focus in on your quads, the thigh muscles, and your glutes, the butt. So when you're doing this posture, first it takes tremendous focus and concentration, but also firing up those muscles is really good for your cardio. So let's take a look at it. You'll notice throughout the posture, you're keeping the standing knee locked. In this case, it's the left knee. So you shift the weight to the left leg, lock the knee, and grab your right foot with 10 fingers interlock grip. Once that part of the posture feels comfortable to you, you can start to kick the heel forward, eventually getting the kicking leg parallel to the floor. Once you have that, you can start to bend the elbows down below the calf muscles. And once you see that, you tuck your chin to your chest and get your forehead to touch the knee. You try to come out the exact opposite way you went in with control, and then stand up nice and tall. Common mistakes have to do with the standing left knee bending. So even just rounding down to grab the foot, sometimes that standing leg bends. Instead of just pushing the knee back, pull up on the thigh. Work to engage all the muscles in and around your knee. And then again, as they start to kick, sometimes the standing knee bends, and that means you've gone too far. So back up and make sure the standing knee stays locked. One day you'll get the kicking leg all the way out there. Another common mistake is to kick down towards the floor. This puts way too much pressure on the low back, so make sure you're lifting and kicking the heel in the same line as the hip. I hope some of these tips and tricks and seeing those visuals will help you in class the next time you're here. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. We are here to help. And remember, in this posture, it's all about making sure that the standing leg stays locked. So don't worry about the depth, don't worry about the kick so much. Just focus on that standing locked knee in class, and you are getting 100% benefits. Have a great day, everyone.